Okay, kaya gusto sinuot niya. Kung gusto mo i-start. Madudungan yung.
Yeah.
Okay. That water is so cold. See the water? Yan I mean, i-focus mo yan.
What?
Focus mo yung sinapitan mo.
How? I'm
Extend it lang ako.
I'm scared to use this.
Just don't move.
Can you do it, Dad? I'd rather just paddle. You could have done this.
Are you guys even paddling or just me?
Dad wanted me to.
Okay, you paddle on the left, you paddle on the right, Stephanie. Magkabilaan kayo, yeah.
So cold.
You have to paddle in two. Okay. Otherwise you're going to be turning.
Don't do it like that. My fingers are cold.
So clear.
Where? The what? Blue canoe?
Over there, just on that kind of seat.
Oh.
Ito na-reach na namin yung source ng water here. As you see, yung anong tawag doon sa ano to? Right there, nung ice yun, formation?
Glacier?
Glacier?
That?
Yeah?
That's a glacier, yeah.
Okay, right there on the top of the mountain, there's a glacier over there.
Paddle to the right.
Okay, that's maybe 1,000 years old. Okay, you see right there on the top. On the corner, on the right side here, in between the two cliffs.
Because Dad wants to
Pag
get close.
natunaw yan, the water's gonna come down and come back here sa lake. See yung parang mga sapa na yan. Right there. So it's a fresh water glacier. You think there's fish here?
I'm pretty sure it's a mineral.
Okay, that's where we started. I'm going back there now. Ito, ang kaibahan nito sa ibang mga lakes ay yung kulay ng tubig. It's bluish. Very nice color. Parang sarap namin. I think we need to go back now. Pag nag-ditch tayo doon, hindi tayo makabalik. Okay, let's go.
Kami sa point A and point B.
Eh, sinundan namin kayo.
Doon, sa dulong-dulo.
Yeah, sinundan namin kayo.
Magandang exercise to. Hindi din.
Hello.
Having fun, eh?
Oh.
Yeah. But
Pang profile picture yan.
Oh, yung wala salamin, yun ang dalawa lagi.
Is the one that you were in if you went through Jasper, Saskatchewan Crossing, Lake Louise, or Banff. It's the most diverse region, as well as has all the interesting animals and predators and everything else like that, like bears and coyotes and deer and elk. All that is in the montane region. You are in the subalpine region. What you'll find up here is bighorn sheep, mountain goats, a hoary marmot, as well as the golden crested ground squirrel, as well as the golden eagle. It is also, in terms of flora, you have only two types of trees that grow up here. And this is the subalpine fir and the eagleman spruce. Most other trees cannot handle the weather up here. We also in bloom right now. Of the low willows are in bloom right now, and you can see them as they have inbred here.
It's a massive.
Where's everyone from today? Is anyone from Alberta?
Toronto.
Oh, I'm getting to you guys. I know. Oh, I know. Anyone from Alberta, though? No. Hands up for Alberta. Welcome to your own backyard. Sorry for the Toronto people interrupting you. It's your time to shine. Your mountains. Beautiful mountains. We do like them.
Morning. It's a massive.
We're all together, but you.
So, right in front of us, this is the Athabasca Glacier. You can kind of see ahead of that, there is this large white kind of wall. It looks like frozen waterfalls. Those are the ice steps, or the ice falls. At the top of that, there's a bit of a dome up there. Believe it or not, up at that kind of dome of snow at the top of those ice falls is 165 square kilometers of nothing but ice. That, my friends, is the Columbia Icefield. It's like a large shelf of ice on top of the mountains. So that radio call I just made was to confirm the settings I've put the bus in, because right now we're about to go down the steepest legal commercial road in all of North America. Ooh, some wide eyes.